What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to generate noise in Audacity. This will be quite an easy tutorial, but if you still have any questions then leave a comment and I will get back to you. Open up the software and head to the Generate tab. Here, select Noise. Pay attention if your track is highlighted or not, as it will override any highlighted sections. On this new window, select a noise type. Usually the white noise is the most popular. I recommend to play around with these noise types as they differ from audio to audio. Below that, use an amplitude between 0 and 1. The higher you set it to, the louder the result will be. Now that this is done, you can listen to the generated noise. In most cases it will be too loud. To lower the volume, select the Effects tab and then Amplify. On this window you can set the amplification to a minus amount, for example, minus 5 decibel. Repeat this effect to lower the volume even more. Or if you want to revert the changes you made, simply use the shortcut Ctrl+C. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.